So my question is called, I'm uploading for so many videos. My videos are earnings are very less. So my video getting for only 2 rupees, 3 rupees per day. So how to increase my YouTube video earnings? First one, any video less than minute ad is 1. Less than minute ad is 1. More than 10 minutes we can create for manual ads. We can create by the manual ads. Now coming to here, this video will be 15 minutes 25 seconds. This video will be only for 5 minutes 45 seconds. Just when open this one, here the ad will be came. Just you can see. Once ad will be finished, next ad may be came or not. It will be question mark. Ad will be came or not. It will be question mark. But if your video will be more than 10 minutes, we can create every minute. We can create the n number of videos. After 1 minute, one more ad. After 2 minutes, one more ad. After 3 minutes, one more ad. This all belongs to for this yellow ads. If you increase your more earnings on YouTube videos, that is eligible for more than 10 minutes. So that is called, when click your edit video. In this video, we have show option call is monetization. Which one? Monetization. Just upload your screen. Now click. See this one. You can generating for so many manual ads. So once create your ad, you have to wait here. And remember, when you're creating manual ads time, your ad blocker will be disabled is mandatory field. Or else they can't show your manual ads. You can see. We can generate so many manual ads. So in a starting time, you can add more ads. In starting time, your earning money will be more. So after save change. After save changing for manual ads, it will reflect by after minute. It will reflect after minute. But suppose your video will be only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. You can see. We can't create the manual ads. So people asking questions so many times, sir, my earnings are very less. Due to regarding is called your videos are very ads are rare. So in this one, when you're clicking for monetization, see, no manual ads. So manual ads will be eligible for where more than 10 minutes videos. So that is called earnings are more, and viewers also will be more. Based on the earnings all will be more. Once add your manual ads, very important one is called add your end screen, cards and subtitle. Three is the mandatory field. One is called end screen. We can call for the relevant videos. Select it. So you will be called by next will be more than 21 minutes. Now select. Now very important call, add your subscribe button, means they can increase your subscribers based on this option. Now click for save. Next one, it will be go to cards, add your cards option. So means we can recommend for the n number of views for the another video purpose also. Now click here. So in this adding the videos, in this will adding for videos, this one. After done this one, add your subtitle. Simply add it. Select here. In this will generating for title will be after time of completion of your video. So it's still not generating for subtitle. Wait for generating for subtitle option. So just go back. So main secret will be called your video timing. That is called less than 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. After upload this video, we can add your every options for ads. Let's your add your advanced setting, basic info. Once done this video, we can generating for backlink for in this video using Masping and NimTool website. So that will be based on the viewers, any money will be increased. Next one, any video, any video for increased viewers purpose. First, we can follow the below video share buttons are must and should important. In video, will be share button will be accept. Will using for total 5 icons are very important. Tumblr, Reddit, Pinterest, social media, and mix. In social media, we have the using for 4: Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn option. So in this, we can using for share button. More views are generating to this backlinks. These are very mandatory field. In a blogger using for bookings, we can't using for in your YouTube. We're using only for Tumblr sites, Pinterest, social media site, Reddit, and using for this relevant website. Next one, after done your generative backlink using for SEO related website. Masping will using for in this automated purpose. Second, manual using for scoop.it, Getpocket, Instapaper, using for Focus, bookmark for you, and url.org. This will generate for the so many website for YouTube viewers purpose. The viewers will first ending the money, but first of all, 4 is important. Video time, paid manual ads, end screen, cards, adding subtitle. Next one, generating for auto backlinks and manual backlinks. These are very important secret topics on your YouTube earnings. But earnings are most important. Your minute of video. More than 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes is the only one ad. More than 10 minutes is the number of ads will be changing every minute to minute. This is a secret of YouTube earning logics.